Hey there, welcome back to Motivational Biz 01, your go-to channel for all things related to making money online and achieving your financial goals. Today, we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing and showing you how you can start making money from the comfort of your own home. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Affiliate marketing is an incredible way to earn passive income by promoting products or services from other companies. You simply sign up for an affiliate program, promote their products, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. But how exactly can you get started with affiliate marketing? Let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1. Join an affiliate program. There are countless affiliate programs out there, ranging from Amazon Associates. Find a program that aligns with your interests and values, and sign up to become an affiliate. If you want to, now how to start an Amazon Associate program. I will make another video about how to sign up and make account in Amazon Associate program. Once you're approved, you'll gain access to a unique affiliate link that you can use to track your sales. Step 2. Choose your niche. It's essential to focus on a specific niche or industry when starting with affiliate marketing. This allows you to target a specific audience and establish yourself as an authority in that niche. If you want to know how to find the trending niche for it, also I will make another detailed video. Make sure to subscribe the channel to stay tuned. Whether it's health and fitness, personal finance, or technology, find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a demand for affiliate products. Step 3. Create valuable content. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media posts, creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience is key. Share your personal experiences, provide helpful tips and recommendations, and always be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Step 4. Promote your affiliate links. Once you have your affiliate links, it's time to start promoting them to your audience. Be strategic about where and how you promote your links to maximize your earnings. Experiment with different promotion methods to see what works best for your audience, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Step 5. Track your results and optimize. Finally, it's crucial to track your affiliate marketing efforts and analyze your results regularly. Pay attention to which strategies are driving the most sales and adjust your approach accordingly. By continuously optimizing your campaigns, you can maximize your earnings potential and achieve even greater success with affiliate marketing. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to making money with affiliate marketing. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, persistence, and the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Motivational Biz 01 for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe the channel to earn money in 2024.